Jenny Jacob TV. Hello, my beautiful people. I don't come again. This is Jenny Jacob TV. So today I bring one important matter. Say make I come in with talk am. Na the important matter now I bring come. So I say make we talk am. So how una dey? I also una dey fine. Abeg o, this na Jenny Jacob TV. Like as I said, abeg if na the first time wey you dey come across my program for Facebook, abeg make you no forget to like my page, make you no forget to follow me, and make you always stay put your comments, but most importantly your like e dey important. Please abeg make you help me to like my video. Na abeg I dey beg o, na the only way una go support una sister. I want to say thank you to every one of you. So if you never watch my if you never subscribe for my YouTube channel, if you just enter your phone, go where YouTube, they just type Jenny Jacob TV for your YouTube, and you will see a subscription button where they write subscribe. Make you just press am. Now one red something like that. When you press am, you go see bell waiting for the corner. When you click the bell, so that anytime when I upload video, you go be the first person to get notification. You go notify say I don't post video. So I want to say thank you to all of una. Now they make me the jolly oh, make una support una sister. Thank you for everything. I appreciate all of una. Hello, my beautiful people. How una dey? Another tori na I bring come o. Another tori don come out again concerning our Biafran leader wey dem dey call Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Una know say today be 26th of July 2021. Na he suppose go court for a hearing o. Na so we come hear say na so the court, as the lawyer dey reach court, they no allow some people enter inside the courtroom. They no allow some lawyers enter. Some people wey suppose go see witness the thing, they no allow them see enter inside. My people, no be small thing o. To the extent wey be say later na dem come find out say the so-called Nnamdi Kanu e no dey court. They say the DSS people say they no see car or be na motor, the way dem dey call am o, take carry Nnamdi Kanu come court o. Na the judge wey dem dey call Binta Nyako, abi na wetin dem dey call am o, make I no go bite my tongue o. Na that one na she come talk say since the DSS people no see Nnamdi Kanu provide for am for court, na she come suffer o. Na he come adjourn the case. So make I read wetin I see for media wey dem talk o. No be me talk am o, na so I see am for media. Now I say make I see break the news o. As I see am, maybe some people wey never get updates, may they forget update o. The headline na say breaking news: Nnamdi Kanu may have been killed. IPOB makes revelation. My brother and my sister, this kind of matter e dey really dey suspicious. So say person wey dey catch, wey dey say they go bring come court today, wey get court hearing today, they no see am provide. The DSS dey talk say they no see car. Na so even when the lawyer dey make a statement, the lawyer say him himself too, he no see am, he surprised. He be don make appeal, make dem transfer am come Kuje prison, so that e go dey easy for am, make e comot for that DSS cell when e dey like say dem dey torture the man for there. So because of his health condition, na the lawyer be bring that idea, say make dem comot am, make dem bring am for where e go dey easy for them to see am. Up till now, they never see answer am. So now I come say make I bring the news o. So as I dey read the news now, e say the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, has alleged that its leader may have been killed by officer of the Department of Security Service (DSS). It will be recalled that Kanu was a no-show in court today after the secret police failed to produce him before Justice Binta Nyako at the Federal High Court of Abuja for a continuation of his trial. IPOB spokesman Emma Powerful, in a statement seen by Politics Nigeria, alleged that their leader may have been killed. The statement reads, "We are no longer comfortable with these developments. We have enough grounds to suspect foul play with the failure of DSS to produce our leader in court today without any Congress reason, and coupled with the torture meted out to him since his adoption in Kenya, we are worried about the safety of our leader. The failure of DSS to produce our leader in court today confirmed our fear over the uncertainty concerning his health, considering his deteriorating health condition since he was kidnapped, and the refusal of the DSS to grant him access to his personal physician. It is possible that our leader may have been killed. Kanu has been under DSS protective custody since he was rearrested a few weeks ago. His lawyer also revealed that they have not been able to see him for the past 8 days. Am I correct, people? My people, now hear the news. So even a lawyer called the talk says since 8 days now, he never see Nnamdi Kanu. He never see Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. He never talk to him. He never get access to reach him. He no get access to see him. They no allow him. He no fit see him. So now the news that say make I carry come make. Now this one I be the current news now where we dey. So now we see there in the watch to see maybe tomorrow we go hear good news. But we pray make nothing happen to Ramo. My brothers and my sisters, make all of us join hand, all the Biafran family, make we join hand, make we put our mouths in the candle for prayer. And may God see him through out of this temptation or stress. I go call him. So my correct people, I thank you now. God bless you as soon as they listen. Bye bye for now. See you in the next video.